Okay, this is adorable. I saw this on Amazon. I actually ordered it a few weeks ago and I guess it was out of stock when I first ordered it. It's finally here and it's awesome. It's reversible. So you can wear it either this print or this floral print. It is so cute. I'm going to Palm Beach next week, so I figured this would be so cute. I'm glad it arrived in time. I'm going to link it here because adorable. So adorable. It's got padding on the inside. I think it is it's stuck in there because it's reversible. So I don't know how you would get it out, but I'm very excited about this. I would say if you're between sizes to size up, it felt a little bit snug. So I actually ordered another size. I'm not sure if the second one will be here in time, but I would just go ahead and order one size up to be safe.